Hello everyone, this week our topic is Agile methodologies and customer-centric development. Okay, next I will make a brief introduction to the Agile methodologies. First, Agile methodology is a project management framework that breaks a project into several dynamic phases, commonly known as sprints. And this approach prioritizes quick delivery, adapting to change, and collaboration, and the framework is an iterative methodology. After every sprint, teams reflect and look back to see if there was anything they could be improved so that they can adjust their strategy for next sprint. And this methodology enables organizations to deliver value to customers faster and with fewer complications. And as a result of continuously evaluating requirements, plans, and results, teams are able to respond to change in a timely manner. Then I will talk about customer-centric and customer feedback. Being customer-centric means anticipating a customer's wants, needs, and communication preferences. If you can achieve this, you can create meaningful experiences and build lasting customer relationships. But one wrong move, and you could close precious customers. Customer feedback is information provided by customers about their experience with a product or service. Its purpose is to review their level of satisfaction and help predict customer success. And the marketing teams understand where there is room for improvement. Then I will talk about customer involvement in Agile processes. As we all know, Agile teams embrace a human-centered approach to product development that allows them to improve the customer experience and deliver incremental value. Customer involvement is a fundamental aspect of Agile processes, prioritize collaboration, adaptability, and customer satisfaction. And I have listed the 4 processes. And first is active stakeholder engagement. Agile encourages regular and active participation of stakeholders, including customers, throughout the development process. And about the user story and acceptance criteria, customers play a crucial role in defining user stories, which are concise descriptions of functionality from an end-user perspective. And about the product backlog prioritization, customers are often represented by a product owner, work with the development team to prioritize features and tasks in the product backlog based on business value and customer needs. This allows the team to focus on the delivery the most valuable functionality early in the development process. And finally, it's the iterative feedback. Agile processes emphasize frequent and regular feedback loops. Customers review and provide feedback on the product incrementally, allowing for adjustments and improvements throughout the development cycle. And then it's about the iterative development. Iterative development is a process of designing, prototyping, and testing different versions or iterations of a product in repeating cycles. And it has 2 advantages. It's less risky and less financial risk. Less risky because you are never fully committed to just one design or material. By testing every iteration of the design long before you start the manufacturing process, you can eliminate design details that aren't user-friendly, cost-effective, easy to manufacture. And less financial risk, you experiment with many different options during the design prototyping and engineering phases, it's generally more cost-effective to test out different design options at these early stages than it during manufacturing or in the final stages of the product development process. And I have listed 3 agile practices to achieve the customer-centric. First is customer involvement in planning. We should invite customers to participate in project planning and prioritization sections. Use techniques like interview, service feedback to gather the ideas about their preferences. And next is user story. We can use the artifacts to guide development teams in understanding and addressing customer requirements, develop detailed user stories and personas to capture the needs, goals, and behaviors of different customer segments, and frequent customer feedback. Emphasis regular and continuous customer feedback loops. Conduct demos and reviews at the end of each iteration or sprint to gather input and make adjustments based on customer responses. Okay, then I will make a conclusion. First, if we want to achieve the customer-centric, then we should follow the 4 points. First is the customer involvement. We should let the customer to participate actively in our planning or action in the development process. And the role of product owner in Scrum is crucial because he or she represents the customer voice, maintains the product backlog, and prioritizes features. And second is iterative development. Agile break down the development process into short iterations or spurts. So that means Agile teams embrace change and adaptable. If there are any changes in customer requirements, they can be easily accommodated in the next iteration. And the feedback integration. Agile methodology promote regular feedback loops so that we can get the customer's needs very easily, and we can upgrade the requirements in time, and it provides an opportunity for direct feedback and validation. And then is customer-centric artifacts. Agile uses the user stories to capture customer requirements and creating user personas to emphasize the users' needs so that we can know their preferences. Okay, these are the references I have used. Okay, thank you.